We're here at the shop today, and first thing we're trying to do is rearrange all of the cars. As you know, the Bugatti was here, the Porsche was here, and then the trailer is currently outside right now. But we're just gonna move everything around. That's what we're gonna start with today. We actually installed Chris's trans all the way, got the drive shaft in. It's pretty much entirely ready to drive right now. Only thing is the exhaust still isn't hooked up, but we're just gonna leave that out for now. He's literally just gonna drive it out of here and down the driveway. That way we can rearrange everything. We took the dollies off of this car, and now we're gonna put them on Frank's car, and that's because we're probably gonna move it a little bit this way. That way Chris can get his car out, and then from there, we're actually gonna move this directly sideways and position it right there. Well, that's one car out. Now we gotta get the other two out, and Chris's battery is dead. We were gonna let it, warm up a little bit, but we're gonna have to bring in Frank's car and then start it from there and try and get that thing out of here.
Roll the Bugatti. Open header NA inlet 6.
We don't know why, but Chris's car started for a little bit and then just died. We're just gonna put the front wheels on the dolly, and mainly just because this tire is super flat and it's gonna be super hard to push, especially since we're gonna have to go back and forth a couple of times. Anyways, we're gonna just put the front wheels on a dolly, or maybe just that one wheel, and then try and get this thing out of here. As you saw, we had our friend Kyle come out, and he's helping Frank weld up some of his hot side. He's gonna have to come back and weld up a bunch more, and then also I think he might be helping him out with the flanges for the wastegates, and then also all the intercooler piping. Pretty much we're done for today. He left and we got to get back home. I really didn't do anything on the Boza car at all. I just did a guide coast, so that way whenever I come here tomorrow, I'll be able to just use the air file and just go over that and do my 50-50 like I said in the last video. Most of today was just moving all the cars around, figuring out where everything's gonna go. I was helping out Chris a lot with his car. We got the seats in. Sadly, we couldn't figure out the starting issue. For some reason, it wouldn't start. I'm not really sure. Maybe the starter is misaligned or something. We have yet to figure that out. Both the cars fit perfectly here. Probably couldn't be too much better. I have a little bit more clearance in the front of my car, so that's good. And then there's a huge amount of space here, a lot of dead space there for a lot of storage, and just kind of leaving all the crap over there. You can see Chris's, whole interior over there. So, take a look. Basically, what we are doing over here is, where's the other side of the hot side? Okay, so we're gonna mock it up for you right now, but we were basically doing the first couple of steps to rerouting some of the piping, because like I said in the previous video, it is going to be the way that this was routed previously was for a LS1 pulley setup rather than the truck motor, so the alternator was in a different way or whatever. So we ended up dropping it down with this tube right here, just 2 inches or so, and then from there we're gonna have to modify this to bring that out and around, and
this is
basically be able to hook it up to the other side.
Extended an inch to fit there around better. So connect, and then we gotta cut this and make it straight with like a hair incline.
Essentially today was just adding that piece right there just to bring that down a little bit. But it's getting there, and we didn't have too much time to do all that, but I'm sure next time he comes we'll have excess piping. We just cut a little bit off of this flange for the old turbo and just used what we could, but we're gonna have to get some more piping and do the rest of that.